Hey everybody, my name is McClintock, and today I would like to teach you how to play Incompatibilidage de Genios. So for a change, we don't have that many chords, but we've got some really beautiful ones. So we're going to open up on an A minor 9. And this is going to take us down to an F add 9 with an A in the bass. And now we have a G7 flat 9 sus. Going to a G7 flat 9. And then we have a C major 7 with the 13. And now a G flat 7 sharp 11. Going to an F major 7 over A. And now we have a D minor 6 over A. Going to an E7 flat 9 over A. And then to an E7 sharp 9 sharp 5. And then that's going to take us back to the A minor 9. If you want the chord grids, iReal chart, and standard notation and tabs when available, it's all over on my Patreon, and you can find a link for that in the description and pinned comment below. Now this song has one of my favorite Brazilian rhythms of all time, and it's called a partido alto. But the composer and guitarist and singer, João Bosco, who is fantastic, does some pretty special stuff with his right hand. But I want to just teach you just the most basic kind of way to navigate this pattern. So we have 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and. So the pattern itself is not too tricky, but I want to pay attention to, first of all, the 1 and. I'm taking my index, middle, and ring finger, and I'm moving it from the D, G, and B to the G, B, and high E. And this is what makes this pattern just sound so cool, is that João is bouncing back and forth between the D, G, and B, or the G, B, and high E. So we've got the 1 and 2, 3, 4. So on beats 3 and 4 of the first measure, we move away from the G, B, and high E, and we come to the D, G, and B. So high, low, right? And so now, for measure 2, we're going to begin on beat 1 on the inside strings, the D, G, and B. But on beat 2, we're going to go back to the G, B, and high E. And then we finish back off on the inside strings. So again, slow, it's 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and. And so that's just really what makes this pattern stand out and pop, in my opinion, is the mixing and matching of going back and forth between kind of the lower sounds and the higher sounds. So I'm going to try to do that 4 times, really slow for us, right? So 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and. Okay, so now the song is on the faster side. I've seen versions of him playing it at a not insanely fast tempo, and then I've seen him play it extremely fast. There's live versions of him with a huge group, and it's just like shredding. It's crazy fast. So we can't feel this in 4. I teach it in 4 because I think it's much easier to teach these syncopated rhythms and grooves in 4, but at the end of the day, there's no way we can be feeling all this crazy frantic tempo. So I really try to pay attention to just feeling my thumb or the bass line, which is constant. It's nice and steady on beats 1 and 3 the whole time. So we've got probably hear my foot tapping as well. I'm really not trying to feel, no, we can't do that, right? So I don't have any problem with learning these rhythms in 4. It's way easier for me to learn them in 4 and to teach them in 4, but we have to not feel them in 4. So try to get away from feeling 1, 2, 3, 4 as soon as possible and just feel 1, 8, and just relax and feel that space. And once you get better at that and more comfortable with that, your Brazilian music is going to get way better. If you're enjoying this lesson and want to go deeper, my course, How to Play Bossa Nova, The Essential Rhythm Method, is over 2 hours of step-by-step training on 10 core Bossa Nova patterns applied to classic songs like The Girl from Ipanema, Chega de Saudade, and Desafinado. You can find the link in the description or the pinned comment below. And now here's the tune, nice and slow. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and also leaving a comment below. Not only does it help with my exposure on YouTube, but it helps keep me super inspired to make future content just like this, which I've got a whole lot more coming out soon. So stay tuned, and again, please hit subscribe.